Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Babri Masjid demolition anniversary. Heavy security in Mathura over threats by right-wing groups. Residents of Mathura woke up on Monday morning to find their city resembling a fortress, especially the areas around the temple town most iconic landmark. Sri Krishna Janmashtami Temple, the local administration supervised by top officials of Uttar Pradesh government has ramped up security after a few groups threatening to install an idol of Lord Krishna in the adjacent Shahi Idgah Mosque on December 6. December 6 is also happens to be the anniversary of the Babri Masjid demolition in Ayodhya. In response to the strident line of this right-wing group, some Muslim groups have decided to observe the Babri Masjid demolition anniversary to raise their concern. The security is unprecedented, and unlike Ayodhya, home to Ram Janambhoomi, Babri Masjid dispute Mathura did not face any threats to harmony in several decades, but the threats by some right-wing groups to perform Hindu ritual inside the mosque has shattered the clan. Everyone road connecting the town of the national and state highways has police barricades. Even the narrow gauge railway when track that runs behind the temple mosque complexes has been shut down. The two pilgrimage trains between the two cities of Mathura Vrindavan will be staying in the years. Prohibitory orders against assembly of people are in place. Those entering the temple or the mosque in the random checks are being asked to provide some proof of identity. The entire complex, which already had a huge security cover, is being monitored by CCTVs and police drones. Nagaland security tech toll rises to 15 curfew imposed in Mon. The death toll in the firing incident that followed a security operation in Nagaland on Thursday in Nagaland on Saturday evening has risen to 15. As many as 14 civilians and gun soldiers were killed in the incident. Security forces had opened fire on civilians in Nagaland Mon district in two consecutive incidents of firing on Saturday evening. The first firing occurred when army personnel who mistook some coal mine workers were returning home in a pick-up van in an insurgent belonging to the Yangon faction of proscribed outfit NCCN. 6 workers were killed then. A curfew has been imposed in Monday town in Montown where the incident occurred. An official order was earlier issued by the state's Home Department as signed by Chief Secretary J. Alam. It said that there were firing incidents on December 4 in an area between Tiru and Oting villages involving security forces in which many civilians were killed and several others injured. Section 144 has been claimed in Mon district and mobile internet bulk messaging services have also been suspended due to the incident. In an official statement, Assam Rifles said the specific operation had been planned in the area based on credible intelligence of likely movement of insurgents. Following the firing incident in Nagaland Mon district, several student union and political parties, among others, demanded the immediate repeal of the Armed Forces Special Act. Nagaland's most influential organization, Naga Mothers Association, too condemned the incident and demanded that the state government take cognizance of the alleged human rights violation under AFSPA. Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio is slated to visit the affected area on Monday. Kohima Hornbill Festival was called off after the incident. Several opposition MPs on Monday issued notices to discuss the Nagaland firing incident in Parliament. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi sought a really reply from the union government over the incident. Katrina Kaif and family get ready to leave for Rajasthan ahead of wedding with Vicky Kaushal. The biggest Bollywood wedding is just a few days away. Katrina Kaif will soon be tying the knot with Vicky Kaushal in Savai Madhopur on December 9. Their pre-wedding celebrations are in full swing in Mumbai. The actress and her family will leave for Rajasthan today, December 6th. Their cars were spotted by the paps getting all ready to go to the wedding venue. Paps stationed outside the Katrina's home captured the pre-wedding preparations at the Kiev residence. Videos of luggage being loaded have gone viral. Katrina Kaif, her mother Sujane Turcotte, and other family members were clicked outside Vicky Kaushal's residence in Mumbai yesterday, December 5. Katrina looked gorgeous in a white ruffled sari, while mom Sujane donned a green salwar suit. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal, along with their families, are expected to head to the wedding venue in Rajasthan today, December 6th, and the pre-wedding festivities will begin on December 7th.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.